Personalize your TextAid experience with different settings. Change the reading language and speed under voice settings. This is a sample text for previewing the voice settings. Personalize your text settings, including text color, background color, font size, font face, and line spacing. Changes can be instantly seen. Change highlighting settings, including the color of the highlighted word and sentence. All personalized settings will still be there the next time you log into your account. Get started with TextAid today by signing up for a trial.